This is a gardening journal that I created in 2020. I recently updated the cover and some formatting within. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick little tour inside the book. If you are interested in purchasing this gardening journal, you can find a link in the description box below. It does not come as a printed form to you. It simply comes as a download and you print it yourself. But once you download it, you are free to print off as many copies of each page that you need, and you most likely will not need every single page in this book. So let's just have a quick little view inside. All of the photographed pictures within this ebook were taken by me, and that includes the carrots grown by me. The first few pages start off with how to plan your garden, finding your first and last frost date in your hardiness zone, figuring your length of your growing season. There are many notes about things you need to keep in mind when you go to garden, extending the season, cool and warm weather crops, how to choose what to plant. There's a section on the different types of seeds, such as open pollinated, hybrid, heirloom, GMO, genetically engineered, what organic means, also how to lay out a garden design, space, slopes, drainage, water, all sorts of stuff. Then there's another section on things that you might want to learn. And beginning here and for the rest of the majority of the download, there are several pages for you to keep records of your garden. And I'm not going to show you every page. I personally created and designed each page, but there are a few pages that are very unique to myself. So I'm not going to show those full pages. There are pages in here on things that you might want to learn about, projects you need to do, what you should plant, and then a list here on what to plant, how much you should plant, and the math to find it, where to plant what. This page right here, this is one of those unique pages, one I'm quite proud of, as is that one. And then there's some sketching pages where you can sketch your garden design. And then there are a variety of different sizes for square foot gardening. These are different sizes. And then also a grayed out one where you can fill out, where you can create your own square foot garden in case there's not one pre-made, and you just write it there. Then there are a list of garden tasks, garden seed inventory, medicinal and flower seed information, a master garden overview, seasonal gardening, a production report, pest and disease record. And then the end of it, and the last few pages are actually where the journal part comes in. So your reflection for the year, the gardening journal for the year, what you learned, any notes, garden abbreviation, and then the last couple pages is some Bible verses about gardening. Again, you can find this item in the description box below.